Buckle up, Blum miners. The crypto gold rush just got a nitro boost, and you won't believe the game-changing updates that'll have your digital wallets doing backflips. All right, crypto warriors and digital prospectors, gather around because I've got news that's hotter than a jalapeno dipped in rocket fuel. If you've been grinding away on Blum, get ready to have your mind blown, because July is shaping up to be the month when all our crypto dreams might just come true. First off, massive props to all you Blum miners out there. You've been tapping away like there's no tomorrow, and guess what? Your persistence is about to pay off big time. We're talking potential listings coming up this month or early August for a bunch of projects we've been hustling on. So keep that mining mojo flowing, because we're on the cusp of something huge. Now let's dive into the juicy updates that Blum just dropped. They've hit us with not one, but two epic changes that are going to supercharge your mining game. Are you ready for this? I hope you're sitting down, because this might just knock your socks off. Update number 1 is like Christmas came early. The invite limit has been blown wide open. Remember when you could only invite 10 people? Well, those days are as dead as dial-up internet. Now you can invite more people than there are stars in the sky. We're talking over 3 million if you've got the contacts. It's like they've handed you a megaphone and said, "Go wild." But here's the kicker. And I hate to be the bearer of bad news. Almost everyone and their grandma is already on this Blum train. It's like trying to find someone who hasn't heard of pizza. I mean, I've been racking my brain trying to think if there's anyone left in my area who isn't already tapping away, but it's slim pickings out there. Now don't get me wrong, this unlimited invite thing is cool and all, but it's the second update that's got me more hyped than a caffeinated squirrel. Drum roll, please. You can now connect your wallet to the app. Cue the fireworks and victory dance. This wallet connection is the real MVP of updates. It's like Blum just opened the gates to crypto Valhalla. When you fire up your Blum app now, you'll spot a shiny new wallet icon. Tap that bad boy, and you'll be whisked away to a screen that'll make your inner crypto nerd squeal with joy. The app teases us with the promise of upcoming crypto futures, saying their team is burning the midnight oil to bring them to us soon. It's like they're dangling a golden carrot in front of us, and I, for one, am ready to chase it. Now, let's talk wallet options. You've got choices, my friends. There's the Telegram wallet for all you Telegram aficionados out there. Then you've got Tonkeeper and a few other options. But let me tell you, I'm riding the Tonkeeper train all the way. It's my go-to, my ride or die in the wallet world. But hey, you do you. Pick the wallet that makes you feel as secure as a bunker during the apocalypse. Word to the wise, though. Whatever wallet you choose, guard that recovery phrase like it's the secret recipe to eternal youth. Write it down, memorize it. Tattoo it on your pet goldfish if you have to. Okay, maybe not that last one. But seriously, keep it safe because that's your key to the kingdom. And now let me walk you through connecting your wallet, because I know you're itching to get in on this action. It's easier than teaching a fish to swim, I promise. First, hit that wallet icon in the Blum app. Then, choose your poison. I mean wallet. For this demo, we're rolling with Tonkeeper because that's how I roll. Click on Tonkeeper, and then sit back and watch the loading screen do its thing. It's like waiting for your microwave popcorn to pop. The anticipation is killer. Once it's done its little dance, you'll need to authorize the connection. It's like the app is asking, "Are you sure you want to be awesome?" And of course you do. Hit that Connect Wallet button, like you're smashing the Yes button on a gift card. The app might ask for your fingerprint. It's just making sure you're you and not some crypto-craving doppelganger. Once you've pressed your digit to the screen, you should see a satisfying done message pop up. Now, I gotta be real with you. Sometimes the internet gods aren't in our favor, and things might move slower than a sloth on vacation. If that happens, don't sweat it. Just hit that retry button and give it another go. Persistence is key in the crypto world, my friends. If all goes according to plan, you'll see a magical congratulations message, and boom, your wallet is connected faster than you can say blockchain revolution. It's like you've just plugged your phone directly into the matrix of digital currency. But listen up, because this next part is crucial. Once you've connected a wallet, there's no take-backsies. You can't just disconnect and slap a new one in there willy-nilly. So choose your wallet wisely. Like you're picking a life partner for your digital assets. Make sure it's one you trust, one you can access easily, and one that won't ghost you when you need it most. Now, I know some of you out there might be thinking, but what if I want to switch wallets later? Well, tough cookies, my friend. Blum's playing for keeps here. So take a deep breath, do your research, and commit to a wallet that you're ready to stick with through thick and thin, bull markets and bear markets, to the moon and back. Let's take a moment to appreciate what this wallet connection means for us Blum miners. It's like we've just upgraded from a rusty old pickaxe to a state-of-the-art mining rig. We're no longer just tapping away aimlessly. We're now directly connected to the crypto ecosystem. It's like we've gone from playing in the kiddie pool to diving into the deep end of the crypto ocean. This update is more than just a new feature. It's a glimpse into the future of what Blum could become. We're talking potential token swaps, direct deposits, maybe even some DeFi action down the line. The possibilities are as endless as a all-you-can-eat buffet. And I don't know about you, but I'm ready to feast. But here's the real kicker. This wallet connection is like a stamp of legitimacy. It's Blum saying, we're not just playing around here. We're building something real, something that could change the game. It's like watching a caterpillar start to form its chrysalis. We might be on the verge of seeing something beautiful emerge. Now, I know some of you might be feeling a little overwhelmed. Maybe you're new to the whole wallet scene, or perhaps you're just cautious by nature. And that's okay. The crypto world can be as wild as a rodeo, and it's smart to approach it with a healthy dose of skepticism. But remember, every crypto journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single wallet connection. If you're feeling unsure, take some time to educate yourself. There are tons of resources out there about different wallet types, security measures, and best practices. Treat it like you're preparing for an exam, except this exam could potentially lead to some serious gains down the line. And hey, if you're still scratching your head, don't be shy about reaching out to the Blum community. We're all in this together, and there's always someone willing to lend a hand or share some knowledge. It's like we're all part of one big, crazy, crypto-loving family. Now, I can almost hear some of you asking, but what does this mean for our mining rewards? Well, my crystal ball is in the shop, so I can't give you any guarantees. But I can say this, by connecting your wallet, you're positioning yourself to be ready for whatever exciting developments Blum has in store. It's like you're standing at the starting line, warmed up and ready to sprint when the gun goes off. And let's not forget the bigger picture here. The crypto landscape is constantly evolving, shifting like sand dunes in the desert. By staying engaged, by connecting our wallets and keeping our ears to the ground, we're not just passive participants. We're actively shaping the future of digital finance. How cool is that? So, my fellow Blum miners, what are you waiting for? Fire up that app, connect that wallet, and let's ride this crypto wave together. Who knows where it might take us? Maybe to the moon, maybe to Mars, or maybe just to a really nice dinner out. But whatever happens, we're in for one hell of a ride. Before I sign off, I've got one last piece of advice for you. Keep grinding, keep learning, and most importantly, keep that excitement alive. The crypto world is full of ups and downs, twists and turns, but it's the persistent ones, the ones who stay curious and engaged, who often reap the biggest rewards. So tap away, connect those wallets, and let's make July the month that changes everything. Who knows? Maybe next time we chat, we'll all be sipping pina coladas on our private islands. A miner can dream, right?